سلام، خیلی مخلصم. اگر میخواین که فتوشاپ و حرفه‌ای یاد بگیرید حتما این ویدیو رو با من همراه باشید. میخوام که دوره آموزش فتوشاپ سایت سیجی کوک رو بهتون معرفی بکنم که یکی از کاملترین دوره‌های آموزش فتوشاپ توی ایرانه و برای دریافت این دوره میتونید وارد سایت sijikook.com بشید. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. توی چند جلسه تمامی مباحثی که مرتبط به طراحی پست استوری اینستاگرام هست و با همدیگه کار کردیم و هرچی در این مورد لازم دارین رو کامل تو این دوره بهتون توضیح دادم. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the بعد وارد مباحث مرتبط با یوتیوب میشیم و تکنیک‌های طراحی کاور ویدیو یوتیوب و هر گونه طراحی‌های گرافیکی که مربوط به یوتیوب باشه رو با هم دیگه بررسی کردیم. اونجا کامل بهتون توضیح دادم.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown.
در ادامه وارد بحث چاپ و تبلیغات میشیم و طراحی‌هایی مثل کارت ویزیت، بنر، تراکت و اینجور چیزا رو کامل با هم دیگه بررسی کردیم و تمام نکات، تکنیک‌ها و استانداردهایی که نیاز هست رعایت بکنید اونجا کامل بهتون توضیح دادم.
Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up.
و کلی پروژه خلاقانه و حرفه‌ای دیگه که یه تعدادیشو میتونید توی ادامه این ویدیو ببینید. خیلی مختصر.
They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. make it look like